Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change language on Roblox using your computer. So first, open your browser, any browser that you are using. Then after that, search for roblox.com. And then here, you want to log in your account, and if you don't have one, just create one by clicking sign up. Then after that, go to settings. You can see it on the upper right side of the screen. Then click settings. Then after that, go to account info and you can see language. So you just want to click on that. Then here, these are all the languages that you can choose. So for example, you want to choose Portuguese. So click on that. Then just wait. Then here, as you can see, the language is changed. And then if you want to change it back to the original language, just click the language button again and then click English or whatever language that you used. Then that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.